Most small businesses don't need more tools, they need better systems. Manual invoicing, broken reconciliation, messy cash flow. Sound familiar? Here's the thing. You can build your own finance system without coding everything from scratch. The stack is simple. n8n for automation, Python for the logic, and APIs to connect payments. Your ERP, even WhatsApp. Together, that's your finance engine. Start with invoicing. A new invoice comes in. The system extracts the data, stores it in a database, and sends it to the client. Automatically, no copy-paste, no missed invoices. Next, reconciliation. Pull the bank data, match every transaction, and detect the mismatches. Anything off gets flagged. The rest reconciles itself. The result? Real-time financial visibility, revenue, expenses, profit. Live, not last month. Now here's the real opportunity. You can sell this as a SaaS product, an automation service, or a monthly retainer for overseas clients. Because you're not selling tools, you're selling outcomes. Build it once, sell it forever. Start your first finance system.